Have you ever wondered how enameled cast iron not only cooks your food perfectly, but also adds a splash of color to your kitchen? Today, we're diving deep into the science and beauty behind enameled cast iron. Enameled cast iron is made by coating cast iron with glass at high temperatures. This process not only enhances the durability and non-stick properties of the cookware, but also allows for vibrant colors and designs. One of the most unique features is the variety of colors available. Unlike traditional cast iron, which is usually black or bare metal, enameled cookware can be found in a wide range of hues like reds, blues, and greens. USA Enameled offers an American-made collection that stands out for its vibrant colors. This makes the cookware not just a practical tool, but also a decorative piece in any kitchen. Enameled cast iron is versatile and can be used on all types of stoves, including induction, and it's oven-safe. This versatility makes it a favorite among home cooks who want to use one pan for multiple cooking methods. The durability of enameled cast iron is unmatched, making it ideal for baking and braising, while its enamel coating prevents rusting and makes cleaning easier. From stockpots to Dutch ovens, enameled cast iron has become a staple in many kitchens, not just for its functionality, but also because it adds a touch of charm and personality with its colorful designs. So there you have it, the vibrant world of enameled cast iron. Whether for aesthetics or practical use, what color would you choose? Share in the comments.